Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11e question 6. We have e to the 4x over e to the x minus 2 and we want to integrate this. And we're given the substitution u squared is equal to e to the power x minus 2. So here we must be careful because the final form of the answer has to be in the form a over b plus c ln d. And this is a very common formats that you'll see in your exam, that they ask you to derive this so that it's in the same form as they are asking. So we first differentiate this. So for u squared, we use the implicit differentiation because the dependent variable has power of 2. So we get 2u du by dx is equal to e to the x. Now we make dx the subject, so that gives us 2u du over e to the x, and we also need to transform the limits. So first of all, when we have, so u squared is equal to, when x is equal to ln 4, that's just essentially 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. And but we also need to be careful because this is u squared, so we take the square root and that gives us root 2 in this case. Also, for the next part, so when x is equal to ln 3, we just get 1. Right, now we have everything. So in terms of substitution, we have root 2, 1. And for e to the power of 4x, in terms of our substitution, we can actually use this part, because if we rewrite this in the form u squared minus 2 is equal to e to the x, and then if we raise both sides to the power of 2, then we'll get e to the 4x, right? So that means u squared minus 2 to the power of 4 is e to the 4x, and then for e to the x minus 2, that's just again this expression rearranged. Actually, sorry, not rearranged, but it's just the same as u squared essentially. And also for dx, we substitute 2u du, and then for the e to the x part, we just need to again rearrange this once again, and we'll get u squared plus 2 in this time. And also, just to correct this, when we rearrange this, we have u squared minus 2, which is equal to e to the x. So here is also u squared plus 2, not minus 2. Okay, now we can simplify some of this. So we have u squared plus 2, so that simplifies with this power, and the power becomes 3. And then this u simplifies with this u, and we'll have root 2, 1, then 2u squared plus 2 cubed over u du. And now this is the part that we just need to expand the bracket, and then basically just simplify this. So this is just some algebra really. So yeah, once we do all of the steps here, so we'll get 2u to the power of 5 plus 12u cubed plus 24u plus 16 over u du. And now we just integrate each of these. So first we have 1 over 3 u to the power of 6, then 3u squared, and 12u squared. So here is 16 ln u, because it's 16 over u, so u doesn't have the power of u is 1. Right, so now we just substitute this, basically the first the higher limit and then the lower limit later, and then we just simplify. So in this case, we have 1 over 3, and then root 2 to the power of 6 is 8, and then 3 times root 2 squared is just 6. 12 times root 2 squared is 24, and we have 16 ln of root 2. Okay, Then we subtract when we substitute 1, which is 1 over 3 plus 3 plus 12 plus ln 1, but that's just equal to 0. So 16 ln 1 is just 0. Just realize that here actually is 3u to the power of 4, and so that means we need to change some of these. Basically, for this part that we have 3 times root 2 to the power of 4, that's essentially 3 times 4, so which is 20, sorry, it's 12. So we get 12 here, and now we need to just basically simplify this. Right, so once we simplify this, for top we have basically 8 over 3 plus 36 plus 16 ln root 2, and here is just 40, and actually I think here no, the bottom doesn't change. So yeah, we have 46 over 3 here, and now we'll get 70 over 3 plus 8 root 2. So a is 70, b is 3, c is equal to 8, and d is equal to 2. So which satisfies the form that they ask for.